new tool alert. This one here is called PayHip. I find this absolutely brilliant for people who want to sell more just the digital downloads, digital products that don't need all of the complexity of a huge, in-depth, specialized learning management system. Basically, if you want to sell anything like digital products, eBooks, calendars, templates, workbooks, even software, this is a really great platform that doesn't have to require you to pay heaps and heaps of money to have all of the next level kind of features that you might need if you have a big focused business on education-based services. This here is if you just want to start making money from your ebooks, from your digital downloads, from your guidebooks, from your workbooks, worksheets, things like that. So basically, behind the scenes, I've got a demo account here just to show you what it looks like from the back end. It does actually remind me a little bit of the old days of the Gumroad, which I felt was very limited in features. This is definitely up there with simplicity, but everything you need to very quickly and easily create a platform from which people can purchase your stuff and download it without you being involved in the process. So first of all, I'm going to go and click on products, and this is the area where you can go and upload any of your stuff. Now, I've mentioned learning management systems. The cool thing about PayHip is you also can sell online courses from this platform as well, which is very exciting. So what you're going to do is inside your products area, we're going to add a new product, and it will give you a couple of different options here. We're going to press see more. You will see that you can download, make downloadable digital products available for sale. You can even make it an e-commerce store. So if you have physical things that you're selling, jewelry, candles, clothes, I don't know, boxes that you send out once a month with a box of treats or anything in there, anything physical you can sell. Maybe you've got physical copies of your books, right, that you have a big box of at home, and you want to post those out to people as well instead of selling on a platform like Amazon, which can take up to 90% of your income, right? So if you're looking to be really independent and get all of the money yourself from your physical products, this can work really well. You can sell courses, you can sell coaching services, and they even have subscription membership billing opportunities available as well. So this is really, really cool that you can see here how if you're an online business owner, a coach, a consultant, an expert, you really can put your whole business ecosystem on here. So let's pretend I want to sell an ebook. I'm going to just do a demo here to show you just how simple this platform actually is to use. I'm going to click on digital product. The first thing I do is upload my file. So I'm going to upload an ebook here. Let's go and grab that. There's a copy of the PDF file of my recent book. Very quick and easy, even with my slow internet here in Australia. We're going to pop in our product title, 365 social media post ideas. All right, and I'm just going to show you just how simple this is to do. I'm just going to keep that for $5 for the sake of example. Upload an image. Now, of course, I would spend a bit more time creating the right size image, but I'm just going to upload a basic cover for now for the sake of demonstration. And once that's uploaded there, you've got your area then for your full description. So blah, 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 description would go in there. And you can choose whether the whole world can see it or if it's just available so that you have a link that is only going to show this product to selected people. So maybe you have something that's discounted for special members or existing customers. You're going to have all of those options in here as well. You can actually choose a collection that it belongs to. So for instance, this is an ebook. So I'm going to add it to kind of my ebook collection, and then of course add my product. Now in the back end, when you first create your account, you will actually go into account, go to your settings, and of course connect your Stripe, connect your PayPal, so that you receive your payments. But basically, having done that in there, this is now boom, where I now have my link for my product. So if I was to go and grab that link, let's just go and pop it in a new tab over here. Let me show you what we have created. In just those few minutes that you've watched this, boom, there we go. Now, of course, in the stage at which we were doing a demo there, we will have assumed that you would have already set up your site's branding. So you can change all of your branding here. You can add your own logos. You can add your own color codes. But you can see now, boom, this is now available on the product market. It's my product. I own the IP. Nobody else owns your IP by using this platform. It's the software that you're using. So if a customer wanted to buy this, they press add to cart. and it will drop in their shopping cart up there, which is cool. If I want to go to checkout and just buy it straight away, we click on proceed to checkout. And what you'll find is we have this beautiful, simple checkout that is designed, it's done for you. This is the very cool thing I love about PayHip. Once you've connected your PayPal account or your Stripe account behind the scenes, which is one click, easy to do, this checkout is made for you. There's no mucking around with coding. You don't have to be techie or developy. This is already part of PayHip's actual design of this software. So all the client has to do is put in their email address, add any notes. Do they agree to the terms? How do they want to pay? Put in their details and press buy now. Boom. You look professional. It was really easy for you to do. I mean, how many other platforms are there where in seconds you can just upload your product like that and sell it immediately? Straight away now I can start selling this digital product, and all that money is going to go straight into my own bank account, my own profile. Of course, this is a demo site here, so I won't be sharing that link for real. But as you can see, absolutely amazing. It's a game changer. And it's really that perfect platform for those people that don't need to go to a highly advanced education-based business learning management system, people who don't need all of those fancy features of, what a in-depth LMS would do, but do want to have that kind of e-commerce or digital commerce platform that's simple, quick, easy to do, and enables them to get all of their digital products and even physical products in the hands of their users. So check it out. I do have a discount link for you guys here below. Go check that out. And the other cool thing about this is that it has a forever free plan as well. So definitely worth going in there, grabbing and securing your account. Make sure you use my affiliate link below. That will give you a special discount as well for life. Have fun.